By the way, we are live. We're
We are
talking-
live. That's okay. You are reminiscing about the
Our
top
school
card.
days.
They are school days.
Anyways,
I'm not
who's अच्छा जी पाँच
sir.
से करा लौटा जगह 20 साल का है
हाँ,
है ना
अभी बाप बन गया है.
बाप बन गया बेटा
School.
Anyways, so सजीत
Market
28,000 अब की बार 28,000
नहीं,
देखो
बिल्कुल.
मुझे पता था सजीत मंदी में ही रहे इस समय तेजी में हूँ
The bulls and the bears.
You know, I would like to have Sensex at 30,000. Sorry, Nifty at 30.
सेंसेक्स का 30,000 कितना मंदी में बंदा
सेंसेक्स 90 पे
मारो
और
इसको।
ये निफ्टी 30 पे. But unfortunately, I don't see a trigger. Simple as that. I was doing a simple exercise.
Flows.
हाँ?
Flows is a trigger.
फ्लोस भी ट्रिगर नहीं होगा, मैं ये बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई टेल यू व्हाई. आई डिड अ स्मॉल एक्सरसाइज. निफ्टी 50 के कंपनीज के FY26 के EPS कंसेंसस मैंने लिए और मैंने कैलकुलेट किया. ऑन करंट प्राइसेस इट्स कमिंग टू अराउंड 21 टाइम्स.
20 टाइम्स
20 मैं 21.3 एग्जैक्ट बता रहा हूँ.
ये कब की था
ये
3 दिन पहले ना
2 दिन पहले की बात है.
आज सुबह का
आज
20
20
टाइम्स
times.
हाँ ठीक है, मैंने 25,000 में लिया यार. मैंने 25,000 का वो लेके गया. 25,000 तो हिट नहीं किया ना, तो फिर 21 से नीचे ही होगा ना. तो मैंने 21 में 25,000 में 21 टाइम्स आ रहा था. एंड इट वॉज शोइंग एन अर्निंग्स ग्रोथ, क्यूमुलेटिव अर्निंग्स ग्रोथ ऑफ अराउंड 5%. तूने अज्यूम किया था 8%. आई सॉ व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि 8% होगा तो कैसे कैसे दिखेगा. बट कंसेंसस आज के डेट में जो बता रहा है वो
FY26 5% बता रहा है
5%.
नहीं
Yes, with the tables, I can show you. Simple. So my point.
X what या तो तुमने पूरे 50
पूरे
company
50
या X
पूरे 50
नहीं 5%
पूरे 50.
चलो ठीक है
ठीक है. उसके अब उसमें कुछ ऐसे कंपनीज में जो लॉस मेकिंग भी है, उसको जिनमें प्रॉफिट उतने कम है, मार्केट कैप हाई है पर प्रॉफिट उतने नहीं है, राइट. वो भी है. बट पॉइंट इज दैट कि वो 5% का ग्रोथ दिखा रहा था मुझे. एंड ऑन दैट इट वाज कमिंग टू अ PE ऑफ सॉरी EPS ऑफ रफली अराउंड 1180 और PE ऑफ 21 टाइम्स आ रहा था. I also took an exercise. See, okay, let's see if consensus targets किसके हैं सबके. कंसेंसस टारगेट तो आगे दिए होंगे ना, एक साल के लिए आगे 10 दिन 10% 15% जो भी है वो होगा. उस बेसिस पे द ग्रोथ कैन ऑफ द निफ्टी, यू नो, इफ यू कीप अदर थिंग्स कांस्टेंट, निफ्टी कैन गो अप टू 27,000 विच इज
हो गया
28,000 और 27,000
1,000 पॉइंट का फर्क है सर.
यहाँ पे
मैं आपको बोल रहा
500
हूँ.
पॉइंट्स हिलने में हमारी हालत खराब हो जाती है. तुम 1,000 पॉइंट की बात कर रहे
अरे
हो.
भाई साहब सुनिए तो सही, ये है ना हर बार कंसेंसस गलत होता है ना.
बिल्कुल होता
एक्स्ट्रा
है.
बुलिश होता है और
ये
नीचे
हम
जाता
12
है.
टका में जाते हैं और वापस आते हैं 5 में.
It changed by the way in FY22 and 23. We underestimated and over delivered. Keeping in mind that quarter 1 and quarter 2 were very weak last year, right? And base effect, and with oil being what it is, RBI trying to do what it is, etc., 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 FTAs being in place, blah blah blah. We might surprise on the upside. You are thinking 5, we may go to 12. In fact, we might do better than 12%.
I would see. This is for Nifty 50.
हाँ.
अगर तुम निफ्टी
100
नेक्स्ट 50 का नेक्स्ट 50 का देखो, नेक्स्ट 50 का मे बी द ग्रोथ इज मच हायर देयर, राइट. तुम यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मिड कैप एंड स्मॉल कैप वेयर यू नो इट हैज बीन अ स्टीप आउट परफॉर्मेंस compared to the benchmarks. The growth will be much more there in that sense. So you know, it's not that we are talking about Nifty 50 because we are obsessed with Nifty 50, but the broader market, there are companies which are growing.
नहीं, बट हमारा टॉपिक है कि
But-
28,000 बुल वर्सेस बेयर. तो मैं बुल हूँ.
हाँ.
28,000.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि
It not in
27,000 का
FY26.
maximum limit है.
नहीं, not in FY26 necessarily, but in the next. Let's assume if we
In
start
the long run हम कभी ना कभी पहुंचेंगे जरूर.
Can I finish? Assuming we started in April, I'm saying 18 महीने. दिवाली 2026 मेरे हिसाब से 28,000 हो जाएगा.
दिवाली 2026
26.
उस समय मेरे को FY27 के ना अर्निंग्स देखने पड़ेंगे, तब जाके देखना पड़ेगा. हाँ तो
FY27 नहीं सर, तब तक FY28
8 का भी हो जाएगा.
आ जाएगा.
आ जाएगा.
हाँ, तो मैं 18 महीना बोल रहा हूँ. मैं बोल रहा हूँ अभी तो 18 भी नहीं, अभी तो 15 महीने.
हाँ तो आप ये कह रहे हो कि 15 महीने तक कहीं नहीं जा रहा, 15 महीने के बाद शायद जा सकता है।
अरे नहीं भाई
He's
साहब,
saying within that
Within that
period,
मैं दिवाली और
you will
28
touch 28. That is what he's saying.
हो सकता है कि 30 भी हिट करे।
Which is
बात हमारी पैग 28 की है, आप बात
हाँ,
बोलो
आप
हमारे
नहीं, आप एक साल
आप
को लेके
pure journalist हो।
आप 15 महीने 18 महीने में चले गए आप सीधा।
which is around 12% returns from here.
Yeah.
13% returns.
मैं 10% बोल रहा हूँ, ये तो
Whatever.
12% बोल रहे हैं, सिंपल एज दैट।
13%.
हाँ
13% बोल रहा हूँ।
मैं
हो
मैं
जाएगा
10% के
28,000।
आसपास बोल रहा हूँ, सिंपल।
अब की बार 28,000,
अब की बार 2 साल बाद।
1.5 साल बाद, नॉट इवन 1.5 साल, 15 months.
But you know what do you have to say? Means okay, we have earnings which you agree that okay earnings इतने grow हो नहीं रहे benchmark के लिए।
मैं मेरा वही पे कंटेंशन है सर
कि
देखो
grow होंगे।
ऑन एयर, हाँ ऑन एयर सब लोग ने ये लास्ट 3 दिन में कोटक, संजीव प्रसाद, धीरज अग्रवाल नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे। आई डोंट नो, आई गेट, देखो दिस इज नॉट एन इन्फॉर्म्ड ओपिनियन, इट्स अ गट, बट माय गट सेज that with quarter 1, quarter 2 of last year languishing the way it did, the RBI doing all that it has been doing, etc., 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 oil being where the levels that it is at, inflation numbers in India looking very very benign, right? It's steady. मेरे हिसाब से macro policy plus this thing will ensure that earnings growth is better than the 5% that is being penciled in right now. I am 100% sure.
I hope you're right. I mean, the point is that if RBI is going to cut rates, which I think Nomura note was talking about 100 basis points more, and which he doesn't agree कि 50 होगा 100 नहीं होगा, that's what he's saying कि
100 नहीं होगा, 100 नहीं होगा।
नोमुरा बोल रहा है, मैं नहीं बोल रहा, नोमुरा बोल रहा है कि 100 और आएगा।
मंडे को प्रांजल आ रही है
सर जब बेरिश हो जाते तब इतने बेरिश, there is no gray for him, it's either white either black. He will go and take the worst note possible and he'll pull out and he'll tell me नोमुरा ने बोला, नोमुरा 10 महीने से बोल रहा है रेट कट करो, हुआ नहीं था ना, 3 महीने में ही हुआ।
50 तो हो गए ना,
50 हो गए और 100 होने मुश्किल।
और 100 मुश्किल मुझे
I'm
इसलिए
not
लगता है
saying
मुश्किल है
it's
because of
impossible.
the rate differential.
अगले
US
15 महीने
is
में
not
नहीं
going to
होंगे?
cut rates.
15 महीने में नहीं होंगे?
हो सकता है।
देखो सर,
नहीं पूछो।
15 महीने हो।
see everything
I'm
is
not
possible.
saying this
I'm
calendar
just
है,
looking
15
at
आप
the
15 महीने
likelihood of
का
it.
निफ्टी टारगेट दे रहे हो, मैं 15 महीने का रेट टारगेट
So I'm just opining on the probability of it. I mean possible, everything is possible, but I mean I just feel that it's not
while
logical
we
to
all
expect
agree
100
that
basis points.
earnings may be surprising us on the upper side, and we will get to know only in the H2 of FY26 कि होगा कि नहीं होगा. Until then, it's a flux which is there. In the meantime, it's the flows which are going to matter, right? In that sense. But I was reading a good note on Bloomberg which was coming in. It said that the differential between India's 10-year benchmark and the US 10-year benchmark has narrowed to the lowest in 20 years.
डेटा दूं सर?
Ever.
डेटा दूं?
It's not 20 years, sir.
नहीं,
It's ever.
सुनो मैं
I don't think
नंबर
that's
बता रहा हूँ।
176 basis points.
नंबर दे रहा हूँ,
160 हो गया है, sir, अभी।
December 2013, the US 10-year treasury yield was at 3.04. India 10-year bond yield was at 9.19. The yield gap was 615 basis points. Today, the US 10-year treasury 4.65.
And 6.2.
India is 6.25. Yield gap is 160 basis points.
160, 170 basis point चल रहा है.
Yes, भाई साहब, this is remarkable. The stability in
of
our
India,
inflation.
And the
But
economy
sir,
which is
it's
there.
not just an inflation game. I keep saying this. It's not just an inflation game. It will depend on also our forex reserves, how much money is going out. It will depend on a lot of things as to where policy rate goes.
But forex reserves, we are comfortable, Harsh. I believe.
Right now.
Right. मुझे
For
लग रहा
the
है
moment.
हाँ, but I would presume that if money were to flow to emerging markets at some point of time, right, and we haven't been the recipient of massive flows, that we should worry कि भैया
2 billion आ गया है सर.
नहीं कितना हो गया? पोजिशनिंग देखो FI
I agree with you. I'm not saying
मैं
that.
बोल रहा हूँ
I'm
ऐसा
saying-
नहीं है कि इतना overheated है.
I'm saying, sir, at 4.6, we've never seen in 40 years 4.6% US 10-year yield, and therefore you're living in unprecedented times,
That
and
I agree.
therefore you might well see large fluctuations. Whether the RBI is willing to take that risk.
नहीं
and
मैं
cut
खुद
the
बोल रहा हूँ
repo.
100 नहीं होगा.
हाँ,
100 नहीं
is
होगा.
really the question.
नहीं
And my
मेरा
therefore
आपसे
my view
सवाल
is
एक
कि-
सिंपल है, अगर ये डिफरेंशियल इतना ही रहेगा 160 बेसिस पॉइंट बोल रहे हैं 170 व्हाटएवर यू से इट्स द लोएस्ट इन मल्टी डिकेडल डिफरेंशियल.
So why shouldn't the Reserve Bank cut?
No, I'm saying will the flows continue? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah,
flows,
that's looking difficult.
it's
That's looking difficult.
हाँ,
That's
so
a great argument. That's looking difficult.
It will be an outflow from here, right?
That's looking
But
difficult.
अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि आपको 30-year yield 5% मिल रहा है यूएस में, and if for example like Trump is asking Tim Cook to put $500 billion of investment, he's saying I'm getting 5% for 30 years. Why should I invest? I'm not going to get kind of return in the US, right? So if 5% आपको 30 years के लिए मिल रहा है या 20 years के लिए मिल रहा है, why will you means?
मैं इसलिए okay, we should move to stocks. But
हाँ.
my last point out here
हाँ.
is this.
I mean, I want your
yes. My view is this, that this is unprecedented in more ways than one. Yesterday we were making this point about the dollar weakness. It is something that the world has never seen, that वो 4% rupee depreciation annually CAGR on an average हो रहा है 10, 12, 15 साल से, right? That might change too, right? And if that were to change, if indeed the incremental flow of money chases high growth markets where India is, कुछ भी बोलो, ये 5% का
one of the top 2 growth markets.
नहीं सर, अगर 12% अर्निंग्स ग्रोथ हुआ तो बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग ग्रोथ मार्केट हो जाएगा FY26 के लिए भी, राइट? 2025 के लिए मेरा मानना है कि हो जाएगा. सो देयरफॉर मनी विल चेज दैट मार्केट. मैं बोला, सो माय लिमिटेड पॉइंट इज डॉलर आउटफ्लोज may not be a problem that we'll have to contend with too much, because it's not that we've received humongous amount of flows.
You know, there are two factors that will come into play, right? If that is the case, we are the highest growth market in terms of earnings. At the same time, you have a higher yield and GDP, and we have, at the same time we have a high yield overseas market which is there, and money going there. Then you see dollar weakness which is coming into play. And if that happens, that there are some of the Indian export led sectors which will be under pressure basically, because जो natural depreciation growth उनको मिलता है वो नहीं मिलेगा, वो organically करना पड़ेगा उनको. And globally you have so much of protectionism which is coming into play that raises more uncertainty for sectors like IT or a pharma going forward. Simple as that. So वो भी हमको factor करना चाहिए. That's what I'm trying to say.
ठीक है, done. तो ये factor करिए. आज है ना पंकज मुंडा के साथ बात करी. Sorry.
Regardless, I just want to like mark out a couple of things. One was looking at the Nifty small cap index from the recent low that it hit. It hit the recent low at nearly the 5-year average price to earnings multiple. The multiple का मैं chart देख रहा था तभी. And then it bounced back. So there is certainly positivity with regard to how small caps are and mid caps are being looked at, but they are trading at a premium valuation, especially the mid cap basket.
Mid caps are,
small caps are trading at a thin or a relatively lower premium, but mid caps are certainly. So my assumption is that while the large cap basket is still trading at maybe a small discount, the mid cap and small caps are still, and mid caps more than small caps are still trading at quite a premium, something to again look out for.
But see, the 1 year forward, Harsh, small cap 250 is 25 times. All right.
Which is largely in line.
और 25 times में भी there are ये sector to sector आप compare करो ना, कि mid cap IT versus large cap IT, या mid cap pharma versus small cap pharma versus large cap pharma, वहाँ पे बहुत differential नहीं है. There are idiosyncratic reasons why the Nifty becomes a bit cheaper. Sector to sector का वैसे इतना issue नहीं है. तो 25 times है, ठीक है यार.
ग्रोथ भी उतना हो रहा है ना,
ग्रोथ हो रहा है. और आप स्मॉल कैप 250 मत देखो व्यूअर्स, आप वो 250 में से अपने स्टॉक्स चुनो.
Correct.
और उस पे बेट करो.
So that's the other piece I wanted to talk about, that bottom up will still be the way forward.
Yeah.
There will be pockets which will be overvalued. You want to play bottom up in this market.
Yeah, and which is maybe multi-cap funds. If you are choosing funds, multi-cap funds with a good fund manager might be a great way to play as opposed to ETFs, large cap ETFs. Nifty ETF की जगह पे multi-cap funds, you never know, might actually deliver better returns. क्योंकि वो 25 compulsory है ना mid cap और small cap में. So वहाँ पे alpha आता रहेगा.
If the right picks have been. So do your study, please.
Do your study, please. Yeah.
Just general thematic may not work.
Yes.
Academically, this is how it should work, basically. Right?
Academically, it should work this way. But then.
Yes.
Anyways, so do we take questions, guys?
Yes, we should take questions. Do we have questions?
As to what?
If we do, that is one. Please send questions, by the way.
And please hit like, guys. So questions have come, but please hit like.
बहुत हैं.
King Shuk Bharatwaj, any view on Websol for solar play
play
with 2 to 3 year horizon? अभी वारी में इतना concerns आ गए
You
हैं.
spoke to the Wari man.
Would you want to-
What was your take?
Yeah.
Means he was very defensive कि कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, but market is sensing something is happening, right?
देखो इश्यू तो है राइट इश्यू तो है कि अगर वो दिस थिंग इफ द रूफटॉप सोलर incentives go away, then a few people in the US might say कि भाई क्यों डलवाएं सोलर, but a lot of regions like for California for example, they are everybody is going ahead with because it's a state that is kind of urging the people कि we are on fault lines etc, let's be as renewable as possible. तो ये incentive चला गया, but if you are net positive to the grid, then people might say चलो यार डलवा लो कोई बात नहीं, but yeah, the number of installations may go down. So anyways, to cut a long story short, there are 2 or 3 things where they have an issue. Wari said that we need to read the fine print, but अभी भी इतना बुरा नहीं लग रहा है जितना हो सकता
And
है.
I think California is asking for an exemption also, right? That's what I read in one of the reports saying that California, while he's removing credits for clean energy, I think California is looking for
Because
an
it's a
exemption.
state on fault lines.
Yeah.
But yeah, so Websol हुआ या ये हुआ, yeah, difficult है फिलहाल. Solar is moving through such a patch, and wherein this, if this bill were to go through, so Premier के लिए इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा. 2-3% यूएस से है, वारी के लिए बिकॉज यूएस में ज़्यादा है. वेबसॉल का मैंने मॉडल स्टडी नहीं किया है. रिजल्ट्स अभी आए थे, ठीक आए थे मेरे हिसाब से.
Let me check if
हाँ, रिजल्ट्स अच्छे आए थे. इनफैक्ट लॉस प्रॉफिट टू अ लॉस था, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. बट no, I mean I don't have I haven't studied Websol individually. Just that solar is going through a bit of a flux right now, so be careful of the valuation. If valuation बहुत high है तो maybe don't bet on it.
Websol posted record numbers this
Yeah,
time.
that's what I'm saying. The numbers are good.
Very strong
The numbers
numbers.
are very good.
I want to just quickly check if
There's also one
Export
question
का क्या
from
है?
King Shuk which is coming in. He's asking about power mech.
Power Mech के आज numbers amazing थे. But I don't have a study. He's talking about it being the mini LNT.
LNT. I don't know.
Even I don't know enough to kind of.
But Power Mech numbers were.
Very strong.
You sure?
Yeah.
I think they were not. I think Power Mech numbers. Harsh, are you 100% sure they were very strong? मेरे हिसाब से Power Mech numbers में one-offs थे, and it suffered a little bit if I'm not wrong. I may be wrong though. You must be right, but I hope I'm happy to be proven wrong. Is the limited point I'm making. But I think Power Mech numbers.
बहुत strong number थे sir. बहुत strong number थे.
Profits were up 54%.
Weren't there one-offs?
No sir, it was 45% on top line. Stock is up 10. I think when I had checked in the morning.
Yeah. Yeah, but this is
So margins were 11.6% versus 16.9%. And the net profit was up just 38% because there was an other income of 16 crores versus 10 crores. So the EBITDA numbers were weak for Power Mech.
Sorry, EBITDA number वापस बताओ.
11.6 versus 16.9 margins.
नहीं सर, ये गलत है. ये नंबर गलत है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको. वो अपने डेटाबेस में गलत आया था नंबर. आप मेरा ईमेल आज सुबह का पढ़ो.
Okay, fine. चलो, so I'm happy to be good. I'm happy to be proven wrong. चलो, अच्छा है.
नहीं
So
सर,
any
सिर्फ
view
एक
on
बार
Power
पढ़ लो
Mech?
ना. Just correct the number, no?
Yeah.
ऊपर वाला ईमेल पढ़ लो मेरा.
हाँ, ठीक है.
उसके ऊपर मैंने टॉप अप किया है.
ठीक है. इसके अलावा अगला क्वेश्चन till then while you look at the numbers,
let's take the next
Begin is
question.
talking about
Sir, sorry, but Websol export data is not available, so I'm not able to pull that number out. I will quickly just pull out Power Mech's numbers. I had looked, I think I had read it today morning.
Margins at 12% versus 11%.
ठीक है. मीन्स
हाँ, so अपना comparative number गलत था margins
वो
का.
नंबर गलत था सर.
हाँ,
They had
but
calculated.
ठीक है, तो numbers ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो numbers ठीक है.
एंड देयर इनटू पावर कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड ईपीसी प्लेयर, राइट? सो वहाँ पर काफ़ी काम हो रहा है उधर, स्पेशली ट्रांसमिशन साइड में तो बहुत हो रहा है.
So EBITDA was up 44%, 216 crore. Record EBITDA किया था ये टाइम Power Mech ने. Top line was also up 45%. तो margins have held very well. 12% margin number था. And PAT is record PAT that they've done. 130 crore का PAT था. Very strong numbers. But sorry guys, I mean at least I don't have visibility on exactly what Power Mech does. So erection, testing, commissioning of boilers, turbines, generators and balance of plant. Civil works
ईपीसी करते हैं
and
ना.
O&M करता है.
ठीक है,
industrial
okay.
construction.
Let's move on then.
Yes. Ajay, this was interesting question which is coming from Vigeen. Vigeen is talking about logistics companies. How can logistics companies come up with good numbers when overall EPS growth of Nifty companies is sluggish?
आप बताओ.
यार एक तो निफ्टी का स्लगिश है ठीक है, पर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉजिस्टिक्स जहाँ पर a lot of competition is there now. There are a couple of models which are in play. एक तो डिलीवरी वाली जो मॉडल चल रही है और दूसरा मीसो वाला मॉडल चल रहा है जहाँ पर what I read, and I have a very limited knowledge of the Miso model because listed नहीं है वो, is that Miso is also now finding it difficult to follow that model where वो in-house logistics manage कर रहा है. Now they are also depending on third party logistical जिसको 3PL बोलते हैं, which is delivery which is doing. So competition is very aggressive there. Realizations per packets are very minuscule. And profitability is something little off. Though delivery made some profits this time actually, but it was more from other income and others, if I'm not wrong. E-com का I think merger अभी चल रहा है. I think integration they acquired e-com, right? E-com Express. So वो चल रहा है अभी. But he's right. I mean in the sense अगर main line हमारे Nifty के अंदर we don't have so many what you call platform companies which are there. It's except for Zomato. Eternal basically which is there. But इसके अलावा और कोई है नहीं यहाँ पर. But अगर आप उन companies का margins देखेंगे तो that would be at the cost of deliveries margin which will be there. So yes, margins will always be at a lower end for delivery.
Cool. What else? Okay. What else, sir? What else?
View on CDMO related company like Bajaj Healthcare.
Yeah, I don't have a specific view on Bajaj Healthcare.
But CDMO.
But see, देखो आज पंकज मुरार का भी आया था, and he said the same thing. My firm view is that every CDMO company which has now gotten proven capacities will stand to benefit tremendously. Just the simple this thing is that when CDMO was a smaller thing, companies had to build up capacities, and the way it works in this space is that आपने जब तक capacity नहीं बना ली तब तक client आता नहीं है. You can't say that नहीं, you give me the contract, I'll build up the capacity. You need to invest, build up the capacity. आपने capacity बना ली, बाद में client आया. So now you got the bare minimum capacity which the client is saying that okay, if you are good, I'm giving you the order.
Just tell me one thing, just to understand this entire thing, right? Means I'm making a capacity on the assumption that
on some conversations that have happened.
Basically, okay, you create that and I will give it to you.
हाँ मतलब के okay, you have scientists, you have this, you have R&D, you have proven capabilities. Yes, I
proof
need to
of concept आपने दे दिया.
Proof of concept and now build up a capacity. I will give you the order after that.
Okay.
Once I see the capacity, you running it well, etc. So the limited point being, now that companies and a number of companies have built up sizable capacities, तो अगर एक global giant हो जिसने अपना ऑर्डर बुक का 0.5% इसको दिया अभी, now that he's got the capacity, now he'll be very comfortable putting up more capex because now he knows कि अगर उसने मुझे इतना दिया है तो मैं उससे बात कर रहा हूँ कि बॉस मैं और कैपेसिटी ला रहा हूँ कि आप मुझे और ऑर्डर देने वाले हो. Now the proof of concept stage is done. Now the high growth phase starts. So for a lot of companies wherein the proof of concept has been crossed, the next 10 years, unless something on the tax thing or the secure tax or ये वो biosecure act सब बदल जाए पता नहीं है, but otherwise a lot of CDMO companies will do very very well because a lot of global corporations want to diversify.
And this is sticky business. It cannot be easily substituted.
That for sure.
That's reliability,
comfort with the supplier,
supplier,
FDA compliant, blah, blah,
everything goes up.
And European parties are now giving CDMO orders, which is a big thing. तो ये है.
नवीन कालीरामन सिंह, एक दिन बेचो एक दिन खरीदो. नवीन सही बोल रहे हो, बट FI and hedge players playing with the market, which is true. अब कल का मार्केट देख लो, कल जब हुआ था, it went up all कितना 1.3-1.4% गया था इंडेक्स. फिर
कल निफ्टी नहीं
कल
market actually bounced back towards the end, the last half an hour. We actually saw bounce back.
गिरने के बाद सीधा ऊपर आया था. हाफ बाउंस हुआ था, मतलब 1.3% गिरने के बाद 0.8 पे जाके हुआ था. सिंपल.
बट वही है सर, मैं आपको ये बोल रहा हूँ कि ये देखिए कि एक दिन खरीदो एक दिन बेचो की बात है ना. जेन स्ट्रीट हैज अर्नड $2.3 billion राइडिंग द ऑप्शंस ट्रेडिंग वेव
इन इंडिया.
इन इंडिया. ये लोग, हम लोग जो सब ऑप्शंस में ट्रेड कर रहे हैं क्योंकि लग रहा है कि चलो इजी मनी है,
आपको
आदत पड़
पैसा
गई,
जो जा रहा है ना वो जेन स्ट्रीट को
जेन स्ट्रीट को जा रहा है. मत करो, मत करो, ऑप्शंस मत करो, मत करो.
$2.3 billion and they disclose it to the court.
और क्या, और ये सिर्फ एक जेन स्ट्रीट है.
हाँ.
और कितने होंगे इंडिया में, कितने शार्क्स होंगे who do options for a living, right? They will earn, you will not earn. मत करो ऑप्शंस.
अभी आज के डेट में इफ यू लुक
सचित हार्ड अर्न मनी है यार.
Exactly.
और ऐसे ही जा रहा है.
और वैसे भी वॉल्यूम थोड़े कम हुए हैं बट स्टिल देयर. आई थिंक द इफ आई वाज लुकिंग एट NSE and BSE premium turnover which is for options, we are almost inching back to the November levels.
हाँ, मैं एक सिंपल एक्सरसाइज बताऊं लोगों को. सिंपल एक्सरसाइज ना. इफ यू थिंक यू स्टिल हैव इट, गिव योरसेल्फ अ टाइम कि नेक्स्ट यहाँ से लेके दिसंबर तक, अगर दिसंबर तक आपने देखा कि प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, नेट प्रॉफिट हुआ है, चलो यू हैव द राइट टू स्टे इन द ऑर्डर.
कितना
अदरवाइज
प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए बताओ.
अरे प्रॉफिट तो करके
10%
दिखाओ,
तो होना चाहिए ना.
प्रॉफिट तो करके दिखाओ. हाँ,
If you
इन्फ्लेशन
are spending time plus you're investing money, 10%
10% होना चाहिए.
is the very
Bare
minimum.
minimum. हाँ.
If you don't make 10% also,
then you
then
shouldn't do that.
क्योंकि 4% FD का जो प्रीमियम आता है वो 3 to 4%. तुम्हारा टाइम डाल रहे हो तो ओवर एंड अबव. आइडियली तो
Risk free
much
premium
should be much
लेके
more.
चलो सर 10 ईयर का.
बट मैं बोलूं, मैं तो
And if not, then apply to NDTV profit.
और हर्ष,
Spend time over here and don't trade.
हर्ष मैं तो
Invest.
बोल रहा, मैं तो डिस्काउंट करने को तैयार हूँ कि चलो 10% भूल जाओ, 0%. आप नेट लॉस में अगर नहीं हो तो चलो फिर भी ऑप्शंस में करो, लेकिन एक डेफिनेटिव टाइम दो. ये नहीं कि दिसंबर तक, अरे अभी तो हो ही जाएगा क्योंकि 5 महीने लॉस हुए लेकिन दिसंबर में तो थोड़ा प्रॉफिट हुआ था तो जैन में हो जाएगा. नहीं, यहाँ से अपने आप को टाइम दो, टाइमलाइन दो कि यहाँ तक करूंगा या यहाँ तक करूंगी.
नहीं होता है.
हाँ वही, यहाँ तक करूंगा या यहाँ तक करूंगी. हुआ तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो आई मूव टू प्योर बेसिक इन्वेस्टिंग. ये ऑप्शंस आर किलिंग आवर मार्केट यार.
I agree.
रिटेल मनी बीइंग टेकन बाय दीस जेन स्ट्रीट्स, रिडिकुलस.
आप आज के मार्केट में क्या कह रहे हो? निफ्टी 1.15% अप.
सर तोड़ू है.
IT 1.5% अप.
IT was expected. IT all
Why
three,
so?
Why so? हाँ.
So look at the 3 brokerage notes that have come out recently. All of them are saying that client conversations are not looking bad. Company conversations are not looking bad. Maybe the order wins will be okay. And then I think that aside of the fact that the US yields are higher, which hits the discounting, everything else is not against IT. When you want a place of hiding, right? And place which is not significantly overvalued, आप कहाँ जाओगे? शायद डिफेंस था 2 महीने पहले कि चलो ऑर्डर आएंगे.
फाइनेंशियल सर्विस भी था यार 2 महीने पहले.
हाँ, बट फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज इज द केस ऑफ शेर आया ग्रोथ नहीं आ रहा है.
सर वो आईटी में भी तो सेम ही चीज है.
बट आप समझो, एक आईटी में एफआई कैपिटल आ गया, स्टफ लाइक दैट. फिर अगर आईटी
पर
वाज
तो
बीटन डाउन,
सेल कर रहा है हर 15 दिन में डेटा देखोगे.
अप्रैल 15 से तो $60 बिलियन आया है ना सर.
पर उसमें आईटी में नहीं गया ना सर.
तो वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, अगर नहीं गया तो आईटी में आएगा अभी.
फाइनेंशियल्स में गया, कैपिटल गुड्स में, जिसके
that's
अंदर
what
डिफेंस के
he's
अंदर.
तो आईटी में आएगा ना सर. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इफ एफआईज हैव टर्न, इफ दे आर लुकिंग फॉर अ प्लेस टू हाइड, इफ द कमेंट्री इज नॉट लुकिंग दैट बैड, एंड इफ ग्रोथ में नॉट बी एज बैड एज वाज फियर्ड इन फेब एंड मार्च, देन देयर इज अ रीजनेबल केस दैट पीपल माइट चूज सिलेक्ट आईटी कंपनी. बस परसिस्टेंट रिजल्ट के दिन 4300 था, एक महीने में 5800 है. सो पीपल आर बाइंग स्टफ सिलेक्टिवली. But आज last point, we have to rush also. Pankaj Murarka made a very good point today. He's given a very good answer. I urge people to go hear that interview. He's given a very nice 2-question का लंबा answer on IT. And the reason Pankaj Murarka's view is important, he's an IT analyst since 1994. Has been tracking this space for 31 years. Really knows IT very well.
क्या बोला उन्होंने?
I'll leave it to the details, but he is effectively saying that he believes that IT services could make a comeback. And growth could be good. He is looking out for smaller companies though, with a market cap and an order book which is lesser than $500 million. Also, he believes those will ride the wave now.
There's some appreciation
He's
coming
bullish on
in.
Wipro too, by the way.
Yeah. Pranav has a question for Yes Bank. Is it a good play for 2-3 year horizon?
Guys, sorry, I'll have to just push. There's a guest waiting. You guys please continue. But हाँ, yes भाई क्या है? No.
Good for 2-3.
हर्ष ने अभी आंसर दिया तो थोड़ा.
Why would you want to buy a 0.5% ROA company when you have such good banks available at decent valuations seems to. I mean, you have plenty of options. I would not, therefore, I would urge you not to venture. There's a lot of uncertainty. Look at risk reward always is what I would say, and this reward doesn't particularly look compelling. See, a bank wanting to set up, or rather a financial services conglomerate wanting to set up a bank in India is very difficult. So when they are getting an easy 20% in a bank, it's very different from an individual retail investor wanting to invest in a bank. That's all I would urge you to. If you're thinking that SMC is wanting to come in and therefore makes a compelling buy, SMC is wanting to invest 20%, 12,000 crore, 15,000 crore रुपए कोई बैंक में डालना आसान नहीं होता.
But that's a long-term buy they are looking at, right?
Correct.
They're
And
looking
they
at
are
a
wanting to-
franchise which is
Correct. They are wanting to make this into 10 years, play the 10-year wave in banking in India, turn it around, stuff like that.
आपका भी उतना होराइजन होना चाहिए.
हाँ, तुम्हारा अगर उतना होराइजन है, उतना आउटलुक है, उतना कन्विक्शन है कि मैं बिल्ड कर सकता हूँ, मतलब SMC बिल्ड कर सकता है.
टॉकिंग अबाउट आज के डेट में इतना डाइल्यूशन हुआ है येस बैंक में कि आप स्टॉक एप्रिसिएशन उतना होगा नहीं unless the book also goes up by 10x in the next 10 years or something, right? Simple as that. So that's something which Acha, there's an appreciation for you. It says, Ganesh, I love your show. It's a request suggestion. If in the line of KYC show you could do another show where industry sector details and maybe the top 3-4 companies in the industry and sector are discussed if time slot permits. वो बोल रहे कि एक और KYC करो.
सर एक KYC करने में थोड़ा तकलीफ है. पुश किया है चैनल को. Nobody is doing this format, frankly. We are the only ones doing it. So frankly, we've already pushed this.
It is a lot of energy and time taken because a lot of analysis of balance sheet and everything.
Yeah, energy, time is one thing. It's also about channel space, right? It's about.
No, he's saying कि social में करो करने के लिए. आपको channel पर नहीं बोल रहा है. वो यहाँ पर करने के लिए. ठीक है. We will check with the producers if they have the bandwidth.
We'll check with Sajid sir in the newsroom whether he's willing to allow us that bandwidth.
Asim is saying, I want to consolidate my portfolio to limited shares. I have invested in Home First, Mankind, Affle, and now I'm planning to invest in ABFRL, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, basically. Can you help in reviewing these stocks? Asim, we don't do recommendations of stocks, but we can talk. Ash can give you a perspective on Home First, how Home First is looking fundamentally.
We've done a KYC on it. Why don't you go and see it?
Yeah, I mean the producers can put the KYC there. We've done. I think Mankind में भी किया हुआ KYC, right? No.
Mankind मतलब list पे है.
List पे है. और Affle
आने वाला है. So Mankind you'll get a KYC maybe in a week or two.
Affle?
Affle पे नहीं किया है KYC. Affle पे करना बाकी है. But again,
but
that's an interesting one.
let us make it very clear that we don't recommend stocks here. आपको अपना रिसर्च खुद करना पड़ेगा. We can give you our perspective because we read a lot about these companies. So we just bring in the views here and we just tell you. But at the end of the day, you have to go through the balance sheet. You have to go through the P&L, go through the earnings call transcript, look at management commentary, how they are doing it, and and that's what that's how we form an opinion. We don't have a interest in any of the stocks here. What we talk.
There's a super chat question, and we've been advised by producers to go quickly because there are too many questions. So Sajid's Relaxo corrected 70%. Do you think EU FTA deal will help Relaxo to expand globally?
The EU FTA deal अभी complete हुआ नहीं है, so we need to see what is the contours of it. It would most likely it is going to be the same contours as the India-UK deal which is there, where India is opening up the entire thing, industrial products basket to the UK. It's the same thing which is already available in ASEAN, Japan and Korea. So there's nothing much. So अगर Relaxo को अगर expand करना है तो इन countries में already कर सकता है पर कर नहीं रहा है, right? So I don't think India EU FTA की वजह से Relaxo expand करेगा. अगर करना है तो already there are avenues there for them to do it. So my point is that limited point is that don't bet on these kind of things कि अरे EU के साथ FTA हो रहा है तो Relaxo भागेगा. Of course थोड़ा बहुत फ़ायदा सबको होगा क्योंकि आपके एक्सेस टू मार्केट इंक्रीज होगा, थोड़ा सा टैरिफ्स या ड्यूटीज़ कम हो जाएंगी जिसकी वजह से आपके प्रोडक्ट्स लिटिल चीपर होंगे, बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स अ गेम चेंजर.
Okay, Sanchit Goyal, views with regard to InvITs. Do InvITs perform better in low interest situations? For sure they do,
Yes,
Sanchit.
yes.
100%. You've
100%.
got it absolutely bang on.
InvITs, REITs.
Very, very worthwhile to look at InvITs, REITs at this time. It's a great time to invest. Also, I want to quickly mark out one observation from a podcast that I was listening to, and I believe Neeraj sir only took, was that commercial real estate in India has done badly over the last 3 to 4 years. Good time to look at commercial real estate. InvITs is a great play on commercial real estate. Rental yields have not gone up, and justifiably they ought to go up, and prices also haven't gone up. So both of those could well be a good trigger for InvITs.
When you look at the REITs or InvIT, basically look at the infra which is underlying infra which is
Yes,
there,
please
right?
look at that.
Look at
Yes.
that, whether it's roads, whether it's warehouses, or whether there are lots of InvITs are going to come in. But in the REITs, you have mall space, which is one. The other is commercial spaces. There are headwinds in each of the categories as we speak. But the fact is that because they run on the distribution income, जो भी आपको रेंटल मिलता है वो आपको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है आफ्टर नेसेसरी डिडक्शंस के बाद. सो द yield which you get on the distribution income is much higher compared to other things. Plus there is a capital appreciation which also comes in because you're buying the units of REIT. So most of the REITs which are now listed are backed by solid private equity and institutional investors. So that is one good thing which is there for in this market.
Crazy Crux, what's the best way to pick a mutual fund? First, sir, you give your thoughts, maybe then after that I will
pick
add.
a mutual fund means when I look at a mutual
And
fund,
how many are ideal? Sorry. How many are ideal?
I
Sir,
think
sorry,
3 to
we
4.
have very little time.
Yeah,
So
3-4 उससे ज़्यादा नहीं.
हाँ.
मतलब एंड वो भी आप देख लीजिएगा, आपको फ्लेक्सी में एक लेना है तो फ्लेक्सी और डाइवर्सिफाइड एक लो, स्मॉल कैप या मिड कैप करना है तो वो एक हो सकता है, एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड है, इंडेक्स फंड एक चाहिए तो करना है, आपको कमोडिटीज गोल्ड में करना है तो एक. सो पिक अप वन ऑफ देम ईच एंड देन look at 4 से ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Yeah, 2 within equities is how I like to play it. 2 within equities. 1 equities which have been an outperformer. 1 is pure play index. In equities, I would pick only 2. 1 I would pick in debt, and 1 I would pick in commodities, gold. In equities, I would pick it this way. I would look at the fund manager. I would really study in detail what the fund manager's thesis is, how he plays the game. If he plays the cash game, I would just blindly put cash as well, not keep a cash allocation in my portfolio. If he doesn't play cash, I would keep a cash allocation in my portfolio. And I would really go after the fund manager's 10-year performance, 5-year performance, 3-year performance versus benchmark. If he's beaten across...
I've seen some of them. I have a little observation there. Means 10 year is a very vast time. I would say 3 years is a good thing because every 3 years the business models and companies change and the investor profile also changes, right? So in that sense, you look at the last 3 years. But more importantly, I think every quarter many of the fund managers come out with their newsletters where they're putting out their views. So that will also help you in understanding वो क्या सोच रहा है अगर इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है. अगर उसके व्यूज़ में रिस्क दिख रहा है and you're fine with that risk, then go ahead. If उसके इसमें very conservative है, then you should be ready कि मेरा जो फंड है बाकियों से उतना आउटपरफॉर्म नहीं करेगा, but it will have a decent return which is coming in. Ultimately, you benchmark it to the benchmark index or total return index.
Look at consistency, look at performance. Sir is saying 3 years. I also believe you look at 3, 5 and 10. So there are views here and everyone's views can differ.
Yes.
But
I think we are out of time today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Prasanna Nayak, excellent discussion. This is the best across all business channels. Thank you, Prasanna. Sincerely appreciate the compliment. Devanshu Kumar is saying, where do you think share market money is going into? Finance, IT, cap goods?
Finance and capital goods as of now.
Okay. So yeah, that's how it is. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in from Neeraj sir, Sajid sir and myself.